It's been a bad day for Adani Group and investors in the listed companies of the Adani Group. Shares of the various Adani Group companies were in a free fall on Thursday. Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, Adani Ports, Adani Energy Solutions, among others, declined between 10% to 19%. Several other companies like Adani Wilmar slumped 7%. This has been one of the biggest fall for the Adani Group since the Hindenburg Saga played out in 2023. What's behind the sharp sell-off today is that Gautam Adani, his nephew Sagar and 6 others have been charged by US prosecutors for bribing Indian officials to secure contracts for solar energy. Allegations are that around $260 million were paid to officials. According to the SEC's allegations, the bribery scheme was orchestrated to enable the two renewable energy companies, that's Adani Green and Azure Power, to capitalize on multi-billion-dollar solar energy project that the companies had been awarded by the Indian government. During the alleged scheme, Adani Group raised more than $175 million from US investors, and Azure's power stock was traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, the SEC's complaint against Gautam and Sagar Adani charges them with violating the anti-fraud provisions of the federal securities laws. The Adani Group has of course denied the allegations. A group spokesperson said that the allegations were baseless and denied. As stated by the US Justice Department itself, the charges in the indictment are allegations and the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty, is what the spokesperson said. The group has said that all possible legal recourse will be sought in this case. Nevertheless, in light of the charges, Adani Green has suspended its plans to raise funds by issuing dollar-denominated bonds. The opposition Congress has stepped up its attack on the Adani Group and has demanded a thorough investigation on the charges and the arrest of Gautam Adani himself. At a time equity markets in India have been correcting over the past month, this news obviously will further dampen investor mood. All eyes will now be on how the case progresses back in the US. GQG, which is one of the major investors in the Adani Group, has said that it is also tracking those charges. Adani Group shares were hit hard by the Hindenburg Saga back in 2023. Hindenburg had alleged accounting fraud and stock price manipulation at that point in time. Now, this news of the US charges against Gautam Adani and other employees of the Adani Group will surely mean uncertain times again for the Adani Group.